Hello and welcome back. Today we're tackling a common issue many Monopoly Go players face: how to fix Monopoly Go invite friends not working on iPhone. Monopoly Go has taken the mobile gaming world by storm, offering a fresh and exciting twist on the classic board game. However, if you've been struggling to invite friends on your iPhone, you're not alone. Let's walk you through some practical solutions to get you back in the game and enjoying those exciting multiplayer sets. Step 1. Check game updates. First things first, let's ensure that your Monopoly Go app is up to date. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs, which might include the Invite Friends feature. To check for updates, head to the App Store on your iPhone. Tap your profile icon at the top of the screen, then scroll down to see any pending update. If Monopoly Go requires an update, make sure to download and install it. This could resolve any existing issues with the Invite feature. Step 2. Verify internet connection. A stable internet connection is essential for Monopoly Go to function correctly, especially for inviting. Double check that your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is strong. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, try restarting your router or switching to mobile data to see if this resolves the issue. A simple toggle of the airplane mode can help refresh the connection on your iPhone. Step 3. Check app permissions. Monopoly Go requires certain permissions to operate effectively. Ensure that the app has the necessary permissions to access your contacts. Go to Settings on your iPhone, scroll down to Monopoly Go, and check if it's allowed to access contacts. If not, enable the permission to invite friends successfully. Remember, without these permissions, the app won't be able to see your list of contacts, hindering the invitation process. Step 4. Reinstall Monopoly Go. If the problem persists, consider reinstalling Monopoly Go. This process can help resolve any software-related glitches by giving you a fresh installation of the app. To do this, press and hold the app icon until it starts to jiggle, then tap the X and confirm deletion. Head back to the App Store, search for Monopoly Go, and reinstall it. Ensure you back up your game progress if required by connecting the game to your Facebook or Apple account to prevent losing any data. Step 5. Reset network settings. If you're still facing issues, it might help to reset your iPhone's network setting. This action will erase your saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth devices, but can resolve hidden network issues. To reset, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Setting. This will reboot your iPhone, so make sure you have your Wi-Fi password handy to reconnect to the network. There you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to fix Monopoly Go invite friends not working on iPhone. By ensuring your app is updated, checking your internet connection, verifying app permission, reinstalling the game, and resetting network settings, you should be able to get back to inviting your friends and enjoying the game in no time. Remember, multiplayer gaming is always more fun when shared with others, so don't let technical glitches hold you back. Try out these steps and happy gaming. If these steps were helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more gaming fixes and tech tips. See you next time.